Hi friends, good morning. Happy to see you all back. Okay, now we are come to a new chapter. Okay, now children, I've got so many pens with me. How many pens? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 pens. Yeah, I've got 8 pens with me. So I got one of my best friend and I am going to share my pens with her. I am going to give my pens for her. Okay, so I will give 1, 2, 3. 3 pens to my friend. 3 pens to my friend. Yeah, and how many pens do I have in my hand now? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pens. Yes. So I am left with 5 pens. So what did I do now here? Yes, I have done. I had 8 pens with me. I have taken 3 pens and I have given it to my friend and the remaining I have keeping with me. So what is the topic today? Topic today is subtraction. Yes, subtraction. The topic for today is subtraction. Very good, children. What did I do in subtraction? In subtraction, I have taken away things from a group. I had a group of 10 pens in my hand and I have taken it and I have given it to my friend. Yes, I have given 3 pens to my friend. Yes. Now this, out of 10, out of how many pens did I have? Yeah, I had 8 pens with me. And I given 3 pens to my friend. Okay. So what did I do? I have done subtraction. And how much did I have? I have left with 5 pens. I was left with 5 pens. Okay. Now what is this 8 called as? The 8 is called as minuend. It is called as minuend. And 3, the thing. This is the total. And this is 3 that we are taken out. Taken is called as subtrahend. Subtrahend. And the leftover is called the difference. I will write here, children. It is called as difference. So the result in subtraction is called as difference. The result in subtraction is called as difference. So first again I am telling you. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking things from a group. Taking out things from a group is called as subtraction. Yeah. Then what are the terms in subtraction? Minuend, subtrahend, difference. Minuend is the total number. Subtrahend is the number that has to be minus. And the result is difference. Yes, children. Okay. In this, we have seen minuend, subtrahend and difference. These are the 3 terms in subtraction. Okay, we will see 2-digit numbers. Now, we will minus 2-digit numbers. How to minus? Okay. This is tens and ones. Now, 34 minus 12. 34 minus 12. Okay. Now, how do you minus here? Now, first we will minus the ones group. We will minus the ones place. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is what? Yes, from 4, you are going to, see, I have 4 pens with me. 4 pens with me. Okay. And I am going to take away 2 pens. So, 1, 2. How much is the remaining? Yeah, 2. Very good. Now I got 3 pens with me and I am going to take out 1 pen. So what is the remaining? Yeah, 1, 2. Yes, very good. So I got the 22 as my difference. Now what is this 34 called as? 34 called as minuend. And 12 is called as subtrahend. Yes, and 22, that is the result is called as difference. The result is called as difference. Yes, minuend minus subtrahend gives you difference. Minuend minus subtrahend gives you difference. Yes, children. Understood, children? Okay. Now we are going to see the next one is um, how to do subtraction without regrouping. Okay, how to do subtraction without regrouping. I know you all are very good in subtraction. Very good. I know how to do this. It is very easy. It is very easy, children, how to do it. Yes. How will you do that? See, I tell you, 64 minus 13. 64 minus 13. How can you do? First we will see the ones place. First we will see the ones place. What is there in the ones place? 4. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. Out of this 4 pence, I am going to minus 3 pence. So, 1, 2, 3. How much is remaining? Yes, 1 is remaining. So, I put. Here I have got 6 pence. Yes, I have got 6 pence. Yes. Then out of 6 pence, if I am going to remove 1 pen, I am going to remove 1 pen. What is the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, children, 5. So, what is my total? I have got 51. 51. Yes. So, the difference is 51. Okay, children. Okay, now we are going to see with this. This is subtraction, simple subtraction, you know. We will see with regrouping. We will see with regrouping. Okay. So, what is with regrouping? That means what you have to do. Okay. I have minus 92 minus 46. Now, you can say to subtract while subtraction. Okay. Here, we are going to see the ones place. Now, children, as I told you all, always the number that should be bigger for subtraction. Yes. Here is 2 bigger or 6 bigger? 2 bigger or 6 bigger? Yes. 6 is bigger. So what can I minus this one? No. So I should make this 2 bigger number. I should make this 2 as a bigger number. Yes. To make this 2 as a bigger number, I should take a help of somebody else, right? I should take the help of somebody else. Now, with whose help can I take? I will take the help of the tens place. I will take the help of tens ones. Okay. So, from 10, I will borrow. Since 6 is greater than 2, I cannot minus. 6 is greater than 2, I cannot minus. So, what I do, I am going to borrow. So, when I borrow from 9, if I borrow 1, okay, now, okay, I am having 6 pens with me, and if I borrow 1, then this pen, these 6 will be lesser, right? Like that. So, if I borrow from 9, 1, this will become lesser. So, how much will this become? This will become 8. Why 8 means? It has given 1 from to the ones place. It has given 1 to ones place. So, that is why. Now, this became 12. This became 12. So, 12 minus 6. Okay. From 12. Now, keep 12 in your mind. Back counting. Okay. Back counting. How will you count? Okay. 6. Then 12, 11, 10, 9, yes, 8, 7, 6. Why did I stop till 6? Because I have 6 here. Yes, till the numbers you get what is written in the lower number, you have to keep counting. So, how many fingers did I get here? Yes, I've got 6 fingers. So, I put 6 here. Okay. Now, I have 8 here. 8 minus 4. Yes, of course, I can do the subtraction here. I can do very easily subtraction because 8 is a bigger number and 4 is bigger number. Back counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Yes. How many fingers do I have here? 4 fingers. Yes, I got 46. Yeah. Now did I get 46 here? Yes. Yes, children. So again, shall I give one more example? Okay. One more example shall I give? Yeah. 91 minus 56. Okay. 91 minus 56. This also 1's tenth. Here also 1 is lesser than 6. 1 is lesser than 6. Yes, children. Okay, I can minus? No, I cannot minus. So what I do is I have to borrow 1 from the tens place. I have to borrow 1. So if I borrow 1, if this 9 gives me 1 here, this will become 11 and this will become 8. Why 8? Yes, as I told you, 8. Why means because it has given 1 to the ones place. From here 11. Now 11 minus 6. Backward counting. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, and 5. Yes, how many did I get? 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. So how much did I get here? 5 fingers. So 5. Yes. Now this I can do as it is because 8 is greater than 5. So 8. Okay. 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get remaining as 3. Or you can go for back counting. 8, 7, 6, 5. Back counting. 3. Yes, I've got 3. So now I am going to check whether my answer is correct or not. How to check? Now this is check pointing. Okay. How to do the check? What I am going to do is, there is a formula for this. Difference plus, what is this? Subtrahend gives you minuend. Difference plus subtrahend gives you minuend. Okay. Now we will see 35 plus 56. 35 plus 56. If you add, you must get this answer. Okay, children, must get this answer. How will you get? Okay. 5 plus 6. 5 in your mind and 6 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So I put 1 and I carry 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 in your mind and 5 in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I got 91. Yes. So my answer, I got the minuend. Yes. Did I get? Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. Yes. I've got it. Understood, children?